flashlight. It's small. It's tactical in feeling. It has one button. It has a clip on it. It puts out great light when I need to see to get back into my accommodations and I can't figure out how the lock goes in. When I'm walking around and I'm unsure of my footing. I don't know if there are uneven sidewalks or there's a pothole coming up. It's nice to have a little flashlight. You can use this in the room also. If you get up in the middle of the night and you don't want to turn the overhead lights on, you just have your flashlight in your bedside table tray and you can walk around. So I love to have that. This is my Heroclip. My Heroclip goes everywhere with me. I use this when I do not have a hook to hang my bag. I put my bag through here, like a handle on my bag through here, and this clip can go on a bathroom stall door. It can go on a seat back pocket. I want to hook my water bottle here, hang this on my seat back pocket. I can hang my water bottle. It doesn't take up any space because it's off to the side. A lot of the seat back pockets now, you can't get your water bottle in them. You'd be fortunate to get your tickets in them because they're so tight in there. So this Heroclip comes in different sizes, different colors, different iterations, but this is the main thing. In my everyday life, I will use this to hang my purse. There's little fancy ones that you can hang your purse at, but it's the same concept. So you'll just put your purse handle through this, swing this around, and hang this from your table at your restaurant. So for these reasons, that is why I always have the Heroclip in my bag.
We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.